Hello friends, welcome to Tiny Tots and you are watching Anamika on Toy Review. Today I am going to review an amazing water toy for your kids. I was recently thinking about buying a water toy for my kids. I have a 4-year-old and a 6-month-old at my home. Tell me one thing, what is the most amazing toy or what is the most entertaining toy which you would have ever bought for your kids? Is it a robo? Is it an electronic car? Is it a wooden toy? Is it a musical toy? It can be anything, but I must tell you that I think we will all agree, if you take your kids for a bath, they'll love to enjoy with water. The water is actually the most amazing toy for your kids, isn't it, friends? So I was thinking, why not buy something which is a very interesting toy for my kids, which is amazing to play and which has a lot of activities with water. Definitely during this time we can't take our kids out to a swimming pool because of the new normal life which we are living right now. I think it's too hard for us to take them to swimming pool and get them infected. But what if we have something, a mini activity at our home, and we can enjoy that product at our home? It can be the best, I feel. But before I go to the review and before I show what I have bought, please subscribe to my channel. Please like if you like this video and share it with your friends. I'm sure you are going to love the video because I'm going to share very nice products with you, those toys which I have brought, if they are nice, if they are not nice. So I'll be sharing everything, if they are good, if they are not good. So today I'm going to share with you Intex Dinoland water center for my kids. So guys, I've bought this water center. As you can see in the picture, I will be showing you while I inflate this toy, and I will also be showing you while we are enjoying this. So this is not yet unboxed. I will be showing you while I am unboxing this particular product. And let me tell you, this is a product which you can actually enjoy in your porch, in your terrace, or if you have a huge open space, if you have a garden, because it's quite big. I think it says that it is 6 feet long. So I think you need a bigger space, and since it requires water, so you need a tap or maybe a water hose to fill the water in. That's what I suppose, and when we unbox it, we will definitely go and see that how this is going to be fun. So friends, I also want to share that this toy I have actually bought from an e-commerce site. I have bought this toy online from first try, and I had to pay 6,000 INR, which maybe if we buy in Singapore or maybe in US, it should be somewhere between $120 to $150 if you get a great deal. So I've bought this particular product in a deal, and I had to pay approximately 6,000 INR for this toy. If you talk about the price, yes, it is a bit pricey, but I feel since it's quite big and it's actually going to be a substitute for a swimming pool for your kids, I think it's an okay to spend 6,000 INR for such product. Okay, so as far as the age group of the kids are concerned, 6-year-old and above is what is the recommendation. But today I'm going to play this toy or this product with my 4.5-year-old boy, and I will also be taking for a little swim and play with water with my 6-month-old baby as well, but definitely under my guidance. So I want to recommend that if you're buying this water center and if you do not have a pump at home, an electric pump or maybe a manual pump, which I have bought, you can see that this is also Intex product. Actually, if you are buying it online, you can get it as a bundle, but during this time when I bought, I haven't received any offer on this product to have this as bundle, so I have actually bought this separately. This is you can see this is a pump to fill in the tubes. Okay, let's talk about something regarding the quality. So I have been buying these Intex products for my kids since a long time. I'll say since 3-4 years, like the tubes and the floats and their other accessories for the swimming pool, and they have been fairly good quality. So that's why today I'm actually thinking of trying this water center for my kids, which I have been thinking since long to buy. But before you see the unboxing and before you see the fun which we are going to have, I'm going to show you what all features it has. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like the video by clicking the thumbs up and share it with your friends who really want to see toy review. Guys, this is the product, and I'm going to unbox this. I also want to tell you that the place where I am currently, there is summer, and this is the best time to enjoy a water theme product or a water theme toy with your kids. I'm really excited to open this. Akshat, are you excited to open this? Yeah! You can see that he's totally excited about it. I've just opened the locks and I'm going to open it, and you can see that yeah, inside this there is a manual kind of a thing, that how do we need to fill the air. Okay, what do we have, Akshat? So there are some plastic rings, there are some balls. Okay, there's a yellow, there's a green ball. Akshat, can you put it on the side, please? Okay. So yeah, there is a nozzle which they have given. I suppose this nozzle is actually for filling up water in the sprinkler. So I'm keeping it aside. What else we have? We have a red, we have a purple ball. Akshat, can you put it aside? We have another pink ring. Akshat, can you put this one as well? Okay. So yeah. So there is this is a very nice thing which I just see that this is actually let me show you. This is actually a patch. So if there is any spoil or if there is any breakage which happens, you know, if there's any cut, we can actually put this patch or a band-aid on top of your product. So this is nice. Okay, so what else? I have 2 more balls, which is orange and blue. Can you help me to keep this, please? Okay, so yeah. So here's the product. Now I'm going to take this out and I'm going to inflate this completely and show you. I think that's the final product. So it's quite heavy, guys. I mean, I think it's 5 kgs. So this is quite a heavy box. I'm going to you can see the joy and the excitement of Akshat. He's really excited to play this, and I'm going to inflate this and show you how long it takes to inflate. I actually opened this. I've got 3 things. One is this big dragon, I suppose, and as you can see, this is the whole, you can see properly, this is the whole set of the water park. Yeah, and there is this dinosaur as well, which we have to inflate it separately. There are rings which we need to inflate separately, and we are super excited to inflate this. So we are going to inflate and we will show you how it looks. So guys, I'm inflating this product, this dino theme water center, and you can see that this is the manual pump, and I've just started. I think it's gonna take some 20 minutes for me to inflate each and every object of it. So we'll be back. So guys, I'm feeling super hot, and I've totally inflated. It took almost 15 to 20 minutes for me to inflate this water center. You can see there is this big dino, and this is how it looks. We are actually filling it with water. This is supposed to be the place where you can play with the balls. I will show you later in the video. This is the big dragon. There is a small little dragon which is lying down there, and I will be filling it in a while. This is how it looks, and we are filling it with water. And if you see this cute little dragon which is actually standing over here, There's supposed to be a sprinkle of water which will come from the center. In the later part of the video I will be showing that. But friends, before you see the whole video, I request you to please subscribe, like and share my video. And I totally recommend you to buy this product. It is worth time giving and it is worth spending. So Akshat is totally excited. I can't take a lot of time for him. So see you for the next half of the video. So we are kind of filling the water inside the water center, and you can see the fishes are already inside the pool. I have two little fish and that's Akshat, who is going to slide, and he is actually playing with water as well. And trust me guys, it's absolute fun. It's absolute fun. And what else you would want in your grandparents' place, right Akshat?
Yeah.
How are you liking it?
Very nice.
Is it nice?
Yes.
Show me some balls over here. Go get the balls. Slide and get the balls. Wow! Here goes the ball. This is the dragon. And that's our little dragon which is just lying over here. I'm going to put it here. You can actually put the ball inside this, inside the ring. That's my little son. And this is Akshat. I want to show you the slide from the front view. This is a movable dragon. You can put the face on any side. And what else? And what else? You can just see that my kids are having an amazing time in summer. An amazing summer. And guys, you definitely don't need a swimming dress to get into this. You are at home, just enjoy. Just enjoy. And I'm also going to hop inside this in a short while. Giving you a top view of this little, no not little, this big water center, and you can see my kids are totally loving it, and Akshat is really loving this water center. We all love it. And that's my mom. She's assisting the little one. And that's Akshat. It's really worth buying this product. We really love it. And it's the best swimming pool to have at home. That's Akshat. He is actually coming from the slide. He's 4.5 years old, and this is actually a very good. He's being little kind because his little brother is swimming over. So guys, you can see that's the sprinkler. I have connected the pipe through this particular dinosaur, the blue color dinosaur, and there's a sprinkle. Akshat is going to come down from the slide. Akshat, be careful to your little brother, okay? Come on. And this sprinkle is also quite nice. It's quite cute. I think that can be enjoyed by a small kid and even the big kid as well. Friends, we have been playing in this water center for almost 1.5 hours. Yes?
Yeah.
You have been playing for more than 1 hour?
1 hour.
Yes. Did you like it?
Yay!
It's really amazing, and your kids, you know, can actually play for more than 1 hour. My kids have been playing for more than 1 hour. It's like more than 1.5 hours, and he has not got bored of it yet. So to me, I feel that it is a really good time killing or a holiday destination kind of product, and I really liked it, and I thanks Intex for this product because my kids really love it. I totally recommend you this product if you have a big balcony or a porch or a huge terrace, so you can enjoy playing with your kids in this. Definitely if you have a garden, it is the best thing. So I hope you like the video, and I'll be back with a few more interesting products. Until then, bye bye. Akshat, can you say bye bye to your friends?
Bye bye. Bye.
And here he goes again.